Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily relationship message, Libras. For your relationship message, this is the card, guys. So, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So, let us see what is the message with this card, Libras. Are you wondering how did I get here again? Does something feel familiar right now in your dynamics with others? Maybe a little too familiar. Don't be surprised that you have found yourself repeating an old story with the same sort of person who may not look similar but who attracted you because of your easy acquaintance with his or her qualities. Your relationship is a mix of what is good and what is potentially challenging. You have been drawn to this person through the perfection of Spirit's plan for your evolution. You may have circled back to an accustomed spot, a familiar place but that's fine as you get to do things again, only differently this time, for you learned something of great value since the last time around. How will you choose to behave now that you are aware? Remain curious and stay out of the blame game. So that is the message for you all guys Libras with this card. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Libras. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first pile and this is the second pile. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, and I will start with this pile after a few seconds of silence, guys. So let's start with this pile. So whatever questions you have in your mind, you can think about it, and we will be picking few cards. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. So let's see what are these cards for those who have chosen this first deck. The Devil, the Tower, and Eight of Cups in reverse. So, with these cards, guys, in your situation, for those who have chosen this deck, some changes are coming today, guys, some inevitable changes. It is really tough on you today. You are extremely pained to see things going this way in your situation. Some inevitable changes, maybe someone is leaving you all of a sudden and you are not able to do anything. They may be having their own issues to take care of. They may be having some kind of addictions, some troubles, maybe some troubles in their work or in their family or in their personal life. So some addictions, maybe some harmful habits, something which they are unable to control, find a way to control them or get over those addictions, or some changes that are simply draining their time, energy, and efforts. Some drastic changes are happening and they are no longer able to be in this happy relationship with you, and you are pushed towards that breakup or moving away from this person. But you need not worry, guys. Maybe today these changes may be quite overwhelming you, emotionally overwhelming you, but you can be sure that are going for the best. So maybe these drastic situations are necessary to bring that growth in that person. So if this person is the one who is meant to be for you, meant to be in love with you, or meant to be your future, they will surely come back to you, overcome these situations, these troubles, and they are going to come back, and you're going to celebrate this great happiness when they come back. Or if this person and you may not have that beautiful understanding between you both, and this situation is quite unbearable. This person is leaving you for good, and you are finding someone worth celebrating that love with. So whatever it is, guys, today what you're facing, maybe quite troubling, worrying you, but you need not worry. Things are going to go for the best very soon, guys. Very soon, you will see why the situation was such that such worrying or drastic changes. So, that is all I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this first deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. So for those who have chosen this deck, guys, the second deck, let us see what are the cards. We will again be picking 3 cards, guys. So these are the cards here. So let us see what are these cards. What is the energy? Scythe, choices, and anchor. So with these cards here, guys, the energy for y'all, for those who have chosen this deck, the second deck. In your situation today, you are facing lot of choices. Maybe you have interest in few people, maybe, and you are um, you don't know whom to go with. So maybe you are single, you are expecting a person, a good person, and you see some people that may interest you, and you are ready for a relationship. So some important decisions you are making today, and you clearly know whom you should choose today, guys. So some person is interesting you, and you see them as the best choice for you for this relationship, and you're moving forward towards that person. You have made that decision. So whatever choices were there before you in love, you are getting some kind of clarity about that, about what path you should take, what who is the right person, and you are also celebrating this love with this person, celebrating this feeling, celebrating this responsibility that you have today, and you are um, feeling satisfied for having chosen this right person for you, for feeling that safe and secure with them. You are feeling complete with this person. So maybe you have made the right choice. If you are interested in someone, or if you want to propose to someone, maybe this may be the right person for you guys, and this relationship may work well for you. So that is what I see for those who have chosen the second deck. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.